Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Digital Technologies, and in today's video I'm going to introduce another VPN to you guys that you can use for your surveys. So if you like content like this, please consider subscribing to the channel, turn on notifications so you do not miss updates like this anytime we drop them. So this platform I'm about to introduce to you guys has other features and services, but the main focus of this video is going to be about their VPN services. It's a very good, stable and strong VPN. I'm going to show you guys how you can enjoy their VPN service for free without paying a dime. By the time you are done watching this tutorial, you will be able to set it up on your PC, your MacBook, your iPhone, or your Android device. So without wasting much time, let's get into the tutorial and let me show you guys how you can enjoy this VPN service for free. So first things first, I want you to head over to this website over here. I'll leave the link in the description. Over here on the website, I want you to scroll down and check if your device is compatible. So when you scroll down and you see this section over here, it will tell you whether your mobile device or your PC or MacBook is compatible with this platform. If it is compatible, you will see this green check mark over here like you are seeing on your screens right now. So after checking if your device is compatible, I want you to scroll back up. Now enter your email address and click on this button over here. As you can see on the website, we'll be getting access to 3 months of Avira premium features for free. Now head over to the inbox of your email and you should see this message over here. I want you to click on it to open it. Now click on accept and install. Create a password for your account. Next, you need to enter your first name and last name, and as you can see, your region will be automatically selected. Then you click on the register button to create your account. Alright, now on this page, they are giving us the option to install Avira on our device. So if you're following on your mobile device or you're following on your PC or Mac, you can go ahead and install it directly on your device. Click on the drop down menu next to install. This will give you 2 options in order to install Avira. Option 1 is to install it on your current device. In this case, that is my laptop. And the other option is to install it on another device. Now I'll go with the first option because I want to install it on my laptop, and I'll later come back and install it on my mobile device. So I'll click on the first option, which is install on this device. Now this will download the software onto my laptop. After successfully downloading it onto my laptop, I'm going to install it. In order to install it, locate the software setup you just downloaded. Right click on it, click on open or run as administrator, and follow the instructions on your screen in order to successfully install it onto your PC, your laptop or your MacBook. After a successful installation, you should see this software open up on your screen. Now this is Avira Security, and Avira Security comes with a VPN service or the VPN feature. So like I explained earlier in the video, the platform has a whole bunch of other features, but we are only interested in their VPN service. Now you can feel free to explore the other features that come with this software. It's an antivirus software that has a VPN feature embedded in it. And as you can see, after installing the software, our account has automatically been logged in. Now if we want to use the VPN feature of this antivirus software, all we have to do is click on the privacy tab on the left menu and click on VPN. Now you will see the VPN section of the software. Now you can go ahead and select the location that you want to connect to. It will give you a list of servers that are available that you can connect to any of those servers. When you select the server you want to connect to, click on turn on VPN. As you can see, the VPN is connected successfully. So now let's do a Hua test just to confirm whether we are actually connected. As you can see, the connection was successful our IP has been changed and we are connected to a Canadian server. Now let me show you guys how you can install this on your mobile device. Head back to your browser where your Avira account was created. Close this pop-up, and over here click on install on another device. Now as you can see, it's giving us 4 options to choose from. There's Windows, Mac OS, Android and iOS. If you are an Android user, select Android. If you're an iOS user, select iOS. I will select the iOS option. Select Phantom VPN Pro. Okay, just go ahead and scan the QR code. So take your mobile device, open your camera and scan this QR code. When you scan the QR code, you see this link pop up on your camera. Just click on it to open your app store. Over here on this page, just download Avira Phantom VPN onto your device. Now, since we already have an account, I want you to tap on login. Enter your email address and your password that you used to create your account. And tap on the continue button. Allow the notification permission. And as you can see, we have successfully logged in our account, and now we can start using the VPN on our mobile device. So go ahead and choose the server you want to connect to or the region you want to connect to. After doing that, tap on turn on VPN. Now you will see this pop up on your screen. I want you to click on the allow button. This is going to install the Phantom VPN configurations on your mobile device so you can use the VPN on your mobile device. As you can see, the VPN is successfully connected, and now we can do our HUA test just to be sure. As you can see, we are successfully connected through this VPN. Our IP has been changed and now we have complete privacy on the internet. Let me know what you guys think about this VPN in the comment section when you try it out, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace.